So, guys, it's 2nd of April 2023, but today it's 14th of January 2025. So, yeah, I'm just trying to finish what I started. So, yeah, so I'm replacing the bushes of my bike. So, yeah, I didn't mute the
Oh,
clips because I just need things to be raw. So, yeah, I mean, I just recorded this once, but I just really lost the audio, and yeah, I don't know what happened, but I just make my mind as it is what it is. So it's really easy. So yeah, I'm just making the bushes. I mean, the bushes was I mean, the bushes was replaced
खाऊ दे
a
लोणचं
long
भात
time
तुझं
ago, maybe about
हे आती कोण बिल
eight
नाही
9 years ago.
आवडला
Uh,
ती येते
this is my mom speaking.
उचल लागणार ती म्हणून
So yeah,
ठीक आहे
my beautiful mom.
मैंने बेटा दाना
So
दाना कोलोटी का पैमी पात्र आलूला दिया दे तू ना
yeah, I'll
ते
just
पटकन
continue
ते कुंभार
speaking.
वाला का
So
दिखता मुंह
these
लेगा पैसा
bushes
कुछ
I
नहीं
just
होता
brought them for about $6
दांडे को मैंने
from dollars, but from rupees it's about, I don't know, about 1,200 rupees, around that. And there was another grade. I think it's C grade or something. Like, the thing is not really good. It was about 800 rupees. So yeah, the bushes was worn out. The previous bushes, which originally had was nylon, or some kind of plastic bushes, so they were worn out, and the sprocket wheel was having a huge play, and the chain was making a huge noise. So I didn't want that, and because of that, I just said my father, and he said just bring and replace them. So what I did was I just brought new ones, and yeah, I'm gonna replace, and yeah, that's it. Nothing more. It's simple as that. Actually, the problem is I have to replace the bushes again. So it's been 2 years now. Every day I ride the bike. So yeah, just please don't mind if I stop speaking because I'm watching the video. This really entertains me, but sometimes it's boring. And yeah. Actually, I never replaced.
दाना ना भाई
I never replaced the bushes in this bicycle. Oh, I never did something like this. I have never done. So this is the first time me doing some kind of repairing thing on a bicycle tire. So yeah. So this is the lock, but what I'm doing here is something stupid because I didn't insert the what do you call the nuts, not and the bolts. So I have to remove this again. Shawty, you're my angel, you're my darling baby, baby. Life is one big party when it's still young. Who's gonna have your back when it's all gone? What about the long run? Shawty, you're my angel, you're my darling baby. So yeah, I just hope the song was beautiful. So I just removed the sprocket and the lock, and now I'm inserting the balls. And yeah, now it's gonna be okay. And I'm gonna tighten the balls.
Hah?
That's me, my
Ya,
father. That's my
rasawannya
father
boleh.
on the background, uh, giving me instructions and asking me questions. I really love that.
Tahu? Aduh yang gini nih. Yang gini. Udah deh. Udah nih, tuh satu. Ini kan kamu. Bang. Bang gimana nih? Boleh nih. Boleh kan? Udah. Hah? Oh. Ah, ini. Oh, ini.
So, guys, I'm just tightening the nuts, and now it's time to fix the tire to the chassis. And this is gonna take so much effort because you know it's really hard when you're alone to adjust the bike's main bolt that's going through the hub. And I just gotta fix the rear brakes and the lock that's
Oh.
adjusting the chain. So yeah, I don't know why this mic, but this just makes some sound, right? And the thing is, I'm not doing these to the views. I'm doing these videos for myself, for my memories. One day when I'm 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 years old, I'm just gonna watch these and just be happy and not regret a thing about living my life. Yeah, maybe I could watch these on my deathbed also. Who knows? Yeah, for real, that's why I'm keeping things raw. Otherwise, I could speed these clips up also, but I don't because I need my father to speak with me and to give me some advice and all that stuff. And I need a job. Sorry if I'm making weird noise, but this I'm editing these videos on CapCut. When I'm recording these audios, the voiceover, the place where the voiceover is, makes some, what do you call, some frequencies, so it just goes up when I speak louder. It's really beautiful. Do you guys think that I'm a hardworking person? Like, the problem is, I work really, really hard. I think I'm gonna speak here with my father, so I'm gonna just keep quiet.
Ah, break के नहीं देखी थी बैठा लेके මොකද්ද? ඩ්‍රම් එකේ ඉන්නද යන්තම් එනේ දාගෙන ඉන්නේ පොඩ්ඩක්.
What I was saying before was I'm working hard, but though I work really, really hard, though I work for the full day, I feel like I'm not doing enough. I don't know why, but I think that's some kind of a disorder or something. But I don't know. So yeah, it just keeps me up at night and really get into my head. I don't know whether my English is good or bad, but hopefully you can understand what I'm saying. That's enough. And I know these kind of videos just don't get views.
බල්ලු කට්ටට නේද අනිත් පැත්තේ හිටින්නේ බැරල් එකේ. ඔව්. ඔව්. ඊට පස්සේ බල්ලු කට්ටේ.
When it hurts so good, do you take it? Do you take it? Your love is like in a no, 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 no. Confession, confession. Oh, I'm shaking. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. You take me places. You tear up my reputation, manipulate my decisions. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. So guys, so this is the clutch cable. So I'm gonna fix that also for my bike because it was broken when I was going to the tea stand. So yeah, I hope my song was beautiful. And yeah, this is the second thing for the day. So I'm taking the chicken waste and the dolomite to the place where I plant capsicum. So there was about six bags of chicken waste and dolomite. So it's not easy, man. The work that's required to make things work is unimaginable. It's unfathomable.
So it's 2nd of April. Today in the morning I just fixed a glass that was broken for the other day. It was thundering, and for the wind it was broken, and today I replaced it. And then I just fixed my bike, which I replaced the bushes. And now I'm gonna mix chicken waste with dolomite for my capsicum project.
So yeah, what he said was actually true. Even the window was broken due to a heavy rain. So yeah, what I'm talking here with my aunt is about a cow that's really been injured uh, a lot, and it really stings. You can't stay there. It really smells really bad because the wound just goes deep, and it's a cow. So yeah, as you guys can see, the cow just comes this way, right? So yeah, you can see it by yourself. And what I did was I just brought a spray and I sprayed it to the cow, and the cow hopefully recovered and it healed. And yeah, I'm happy for the things that I have done in the past and also now. So what I'm gonna do here is mix the dolomite with the chicken waste. So there's the cow, as you guys can see. That's the cow that's been wounded severely. So that's the dolomite. So I'm gonna mix the dolomite with the chicken waste.
And now I should mix more and then put this into the holes that I dug.
So this is the window that I replaced due to the, as you guys see, the water also, it was raining and I just fixed that.
So guys, today I made the window, uh, made the motorbike, and then I mixed the chicken waste and the dolomite to put into the holes that I dug, and now it's time to make the fence. And I was just planning this for a long time, and now it's the time for make these polythenes, to make these polythenes and just make the fence.
So I don't know why I start every video with so. I think a lot of the people, yeah, a lot just starts videos with so. Don't know why, but I think it's the influence from creators. Mm, guys, so what I'm doing here is I'm taking these polythenes and inserting some ropes, two ropes, and even the dog thinks that I'm stupid. So I'm inserting two ropes from the top and the down, and I just attach them the rope to the polythene with some small what do you call small canes. And this thing is really unsuccessful. This what I did was really unsuccessful, so it's a waste of money. Just don't do this if you're planning to start a farm or something. If you want to cover the crop, use fish nets or shade nets. That's the best piece of advice I can give you. Don't use this. I mean, it lasted only about 3 weeks, so just don't use these polythene. It's a waste of money and a waste of energy and waste of time. Use fish nets or shade nets. That's gonna last really long, and it's gonna solve the problem because this thing, this thing only stops dogs. Uh, this thing uh, just vanishes from 3 weeks from now, and even the cows could come, even the monkeys could come, and when it's gone, everybody can come inside. Only the rob just remains. So I don't recommend people using this polythene. So what I did was really dumb and stupid, and that's why people call young and dumb. So I was 19 years old back then. It's been 2 years, and yeah, things have changed a lot right now. So I just stopped planting, but I'm gonna start really soon. So hopefully you can see the videos in the future in a good format. Mm, yeah. So the video is really coming to an end, and I just need people. If somebody is watching, maybe I don't think, but if maybe even one person just watching this, man, I wish you thank you from bottom of my heart. So I'm gonna remember you. Just if you can, just please do me a one favor. Just leave a comment. Just leave a comment. That's it. Anything. Maybe a heart, maybe a thumbs up, maybe just keep it up, man. Like if you can say something, it's really nice of you. And yeah, I just thank you from bottom of my heart. Thank you.